So this is how I do my analysis on finding a head and shoulders pattern. First, pansin na pansin po natin na meron pong divergent. In case hindi nyo po alam ano ang divergent, please do research. No? Here, ang tip po nito, which is this one, at ang tip po nito, which is this one, no, is makikita natin na dito sa chart, paakyat siya, pero dito sa MACD, pababa. Yan. So, this is what I considered as divergent. To confirm it, gamit tayo ng tinatawag nating RSI. Since mas matibay po, mas malakas, no? Mas effective po ang RSI in tracing a divergent. So, makita natin, yan, malinaw na malinaw. Now, since meron na yan, so confirm natin sa RSI, balik natin yung MACD. Okay. So, confirm na yan. Magti-trace ako ng pattern, which is the left shoulder. Yan. Which is the head. Then, currently, wala pang right shoulder. Ngayon, check natin if sinong mas mataas, ang head ba or ang left shoulder. If ma-confirm natin na mas mataas, tingnan natin, yun, it's true. Mas mataas po ang head. So, pwede po to maging head and shoulders. The possibility of being head and shoulders is malaki. Now, since meron na tayong bigger chance of having a head and shoulders pattern, first, pupunta muna ako ng 1-day time frame just to double check kung gaano ba katibay na magfo-form siya ng head and shoulders. Gusto ko malaman yung roof kung gaano kakapal yung resistance. Dito sa 1-day time frame, makikita ko, mga palitin natin. Yan. Tagalin muna natin to. Yan. There you go. So, if mapapansin nyo po, I'm trying to see on the previews kung nasaan ang resistance niya. As I could see it, ito po, tama ba? Yan. Yes. Pagdating dito, she's trying to reach, nag-reverse, right, tapos umabot, reverse na naman. Then, ang pinakamataas, ang pinakamakapal is this. Yeah. Okay. So, check natin if pasok ba siya, which is ayun. So, since nakuha na po natin ang tinatawag nating thickness ng possible na mangyayari on the support and resistance, ibig sabihin po is pwede pa po ito siyang iakyat niya hanggang dyan. And the way I see it is trying to break through the first, no? Since hindi niya na breakthrough, at ito naman, he's trying na naman, umuulit na naman siya. So, meron din possibility na bababa. Bakit? Dahil he tried it for 1, 2, and third. Pag hindi niya kaya itong i-break, then normally, bababa siya. Pero pag ma-break niya, pwede siyang umabot doon. So, kikita natin na medyo malaki ang pag-asa. Now, let's go back to 4 hours. Dito naman, so, i-activate na natin yung tinatawag nating confirmation. Kung pumasa ba sa first confirmation, yes, pumasa siya. In fact, umulit siya. On the second confirmation, pumasa ba? Check natin. Oops, not this one. Microchecker. Wala si microchecker. Activate natin. Yan. Here. The first rejection is this point. Kunan lang natin. Yan. The second rejection, retest is this point. Ngayon, we'll try susukatin, which is 70 pips. Ngayon, do we proceed on the fourth confirmation? Hindi po. Bakit? Kasi po, that 70 pips, hindi po yan kakayanin sa account ko. If only ang lalim niya, ang haba niya is between 30 pips, pwede ako mag-proceed to fourth. So what I did, tingnan natin, no? Tingnan natin ang 1 hour time frame. Dito sa 1 hour time frame naman, makikita natin na meron, kaya pala, no, medyo malaki-laki kasi meron na form na head and shoulders. Again, on the 1 hour time frame. Yan. Kita nyo po ba? There you go. That's the head and shoulders. No? Now, susukatin na naman natin. If pumasa sa first confirmation, yes. Pumasa siya ng 618. Then, let's try to see if meron ng second confirmation. Yes. Meron na rin. Here you go. This is the second confirmation. How about the third? Wala pa. Wala pang third confirmation. Yung rejection retest. So, dito, on Monday, titingnan natin if lalabas ba ang third confirmation. If lalabas po siya, then, let's go. No? Proceed to the fourth. Now, in case lalabas, sabihin na natin lumabas, susukatin naman natin kung gaano kalalim ito, gaano kataas. As we could see, check natin dyan, papunta dyan, it's only 14 pips. Ba, pwede. Alright, so, let's try to see na lang anong mangyayari ngayong Monday. However, possible na mangyayari magkakaroon ng slippage. Kumbaga, hopefully, walang major event plus on the weekends. So, possible po na nandito na or nandito na. Umakyat pa. But hopefully, within this range, siya, no, nakapatong pa rin siya on this range para makaproceed tayo ng third confirmation. From there, kaya hintay-hintay na naman tayo nito. As I have said, if meron na kayong system, meron na kayong strategy, talaga pong nakakabago ang maghintay. Pero, it's worth it. So this is how I plot my head and shoulders using the different combinations of indicators and my 5 confirmations. Maraming salamat